Hello and welcome to Little Learners. Today we're going to go step by step through how to make these quick and easy delicious Queen of Hearts jam strawberry tarts. To make the Queen of Hearts jam strawberry tarts, you will need a mixing bowl and a spoon, a rolling pin, a 1 cup, a 1 tablespoon and a 1 teaspoon measuring utensils, 1 cup of flour, 4 tablespoons of butter, 4 tablespoons of jam, 4 teaspoons of water, some cling film, a round dough cutter, baking paper which are cut into round circles, and a 12-hole baking tray. The first thing we're going to do is pour the 1 cup of flour into the bowl. Then add the margarine into the mixing bowl. Mix the flour and the margarine up until it resembles crumbs. Pour the water into the mixture. Knead it together until you form your dough. Roll the dough into a ball. Place it onto the cling film and wrap it up and put it into the fridge for 20 minutes. Once cooled, roll out the dough.
Cold.
Cut out a circle shape. Place it onto the greaseproof paper and push it down into the baking tray. And then place a teaspoon of jam into each of the tarts. And then place a pastry heart on top of the jam. Once ready, place the jam strawberry tarts into the oven at 180 degrees for 12 to 15 minutes.